What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. This is the second tiny home tour of the week right here in sunny Southern California, Dana Point to be exact. This home right here is a brand new single wide built by Silvercrest. This home is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home. You're gonna love it. If you missed our other home tours, we premiere new home tours and used home tours on a weekly basis, oftentimes several home tours in 1 week. So if you don't want to miss them, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new tours. This home right here is one of the best deals in Dana Point. You can live in a multi-million-dollar area less than 1 mile from the Dana Point Harbor for a fraction of the price. Not only are you going to be paying less than $150,000 for this home, but your property taxes are going to be significantly less than if you purchased a residential site-built home. This home has spectacular curb appeal. I love the white with black trim. And check this out. We have the accent is gray, and then tell us what you think about adding the trim on the 2 columns on each side of the lap siding. Tell us what you think of the trim, the accent colors, and check out those black shutters. The black is one of the new most popular colors today. It really makes everything look sharp. We'd love to hear what you have to say. So now let's go take a look at this beautiful Silvercrest tiny home. Right behind us is one of the bedrooms. Let's go tour this bedroom real quick. This is a great size bedroom for a tiny home. You can easily fit a queen size bed. We even added this box-in bay to give you about another 12 inches, making the interior that much larger. We even included the 9-foot flat ceilings, which allow us to have this transom stack window, allowing a lot more extra light, brightening everything up on the inside. Having these mirror wardrobe doors also makes the bedroom look that much larger. All right. Now this layout is a great layout. It really makes great use of the living area. If you toured the last tiny home we did, you'll notice that the kitchen was a little bit different. It actually had cabinets in a breakfast bar that wrapped around, separating the kitchen from the living area, which is nice because you have a breakfast bar, but then the con to that is that it makes it feel a little bit smaller. So we do have a couple different options. This is more your open floor plan layout where the kitchen opens up to the living room, allowing you to arrange your furniture in more varieties. In this home also, what we added was this white backsplash tile that goes all the way up to the cabinets. That's different. The other tiny home just had a 4-inch backsplash that matched the carry-on solid surface countertops. And again, Silvercrest builds one of the best cabinets of all the manufacturers for manufactured homes. They're all soft closing hinges. These standard in Silvercrest, you get Corian or solid surface countertops. We optioned in these quartz countertops, so you're getting a lot of upgrades and options in this home. This is a stainless steel farmhouse sink. Other homes we toured this week had a single cell sink. So make sure you watch one of those videos if you want to know the difference between a farmhouse sink and just a single cell sink. We added this black hardware. You'll notice we have no hardware on these cabinets. So you have the option, you can add hardware. You could do a brushed nickel. You can do the black hardware. Black is one of the hot options right now. But I really love this stainless steel farmhouse sink. The single cell sinks add a lot of value. And then of course, your gooseneck faucet with sprayer. So this tiny home has a lot of bells and whistles on it. We have the dishwasher, the microwave, the oven, the range, and even the stainless steel side-by-side refrigerator with ice and water dispenser. These are all great features. And guess what? Over here, what do you think's in this closet right here? This is where a stackable washer and dryer can go. What's great is this door is going to make that washer and dryer so much quieter when you're watching your movie or if you're running the laundry while you're sleeping. So make sure you add that door. This door is a great option, adds a lot of value. And then you can even see in these 9-foot flat ceilings, we added the fan. And over here to the right, you're going to see we have more stacked windows. And then over here to the left, we have more stacked windows. And even above the sink is a stacked window. So this is a lot of natural light that's coming through into this home, especially in Southern California. We get so many sunny days. Over here to the right is the bathroom, which, wow, I didn't see this shower. I really like this shower. This is different than what you see a lot of times. This is a tub shower combo, and then we added all of this tile. So this is one of my favorite tile schemes. You have like this white grayish combo with all this, with this river rock banner going up through the middle of it. So tell us what you think. I love this. I would rate this bathroom probably a 7 because it's not a master bathroom. But tell me, what would you rate this bathroom 1 to 10? Oh, do not forget, look at that. Rain shower head right there. Don't forget that. That's another beautiful option. Maybe I give this a 7.5 now that I saw that rain shower head. So again, rate this bathroom from 1 to 10. I give it a 7.5, and check that out. You have your white quartz countertops with your white porcelain sink. And boom, don't forget those vanities. Even the vanities are black. Now, before we go in, I just can't get enough of these transom stack windows right there. Look at that. Look how much natural light that brings into the bedrooms. Don't worry, if you want to have shades, you could put shades over that bedroom so that you could, or over the window so that you could sleep in. We've also included the mirror sliding wardrobe doors. Having mirrored wardrobe doors just opens up the bedroom and makes it feel much larger. You definitely get the value if you option and upgrade mirror wardrobe sliding doors versus the slab doors. So, thank you for watching this edition to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. We appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. And before you go, this home is selling for under $150,000. You can put this home on your private land, in your backyard, in a leased land community. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 866-720-2207.